2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hello mga beshies! How are you? I hope you're all doing well. Good morning here from Abu Dhabi. So today we're gonna head to Marriott Downtown Hotel because we're gonna have breakfast with our friends. It's been a while that I haven't been with them, so I'm very excited to see all of them today. Let's go mga beshies, come along with us. We're here now at the Marriott Downtown and we just had our car parked at the valet. We're gonna wait for them. Let's go. Ano? We're heading now to Kuzbara for breakfast. Let's go. Say hi. Hey. Hi, from. We're the first one to come, so I'm just gonna inform them about the reservation so we can have our coffee now while waiting for them. Let's go. Wow, amazing. We're heading to the breakfast restaurant now. They're here already. Hi mga Filipino. Filipino community. Hi Eddie. Hi. Amoy panis na lang, amoy pato.
Tangina mo. Uy, kawawa naman yung pintas mo.
Ano ka ba? Choker yan. Choker yan, tanga. Beshi! Ayoko magbida-bida dito. Mabait na ako. Yeah, we're gonna have breakfast now. Thank you.
Wala po, posibleng wala.
Sabi niya eh. Hi Beshi! Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to your vlog.
For me, cappuccino.
Wow, social.
Touchable ba? Tap 4.
She's telling cappuccino. Yeah. Wait, but you should get your... so, excuse me. Can we get coffee? Coffee. Yes, thank you. Udon. Udon, udon. Noodle station here. You can make your own noodles here. Noodle soup. Mabilis na. Wow, healthy, Robbie ah.
Siyempre dapat kay healthy.
Broccoli. Iba talaga. Nag-ready ka na naman for your next vacation ah.
Siyempre, kailangan energy, may energy ka bago lumipad ulit for another holiday.
Correct. Sana maka-fly tayo together soon.
Hindi naman nagmamatch yung schedule natin.
Oo nga eh. Hindi ba ka-spring? These are their hot food. Enjoy your breakfast, Eddie.
Thank you for sharing.
Wow. You're so proper. Hindi bagay. Huwag ka magpanggap dito.
Pero at least ngayon mga lugar na pinupuntahan ko, may at least may reason na babalikan ko.
Enjoy. Oo nga. Enjoy your breakfast, mga beshi.
Okay sila nila?
Ha?
Hindi ang nila?
Like Benny's. Hindi ka na gano'n. Breads. Cheese and dry fruits. Wow! Bongga! Parang rumaramen si Jason. Ay, wow! Love it. Enjoy your noodle soup. Dito na ang beshi, latecomers.
wait.
Shasha!
Try mo muna.
Mga Sharon! Say hi to the vlog.
Welcome to your vlog.
Hi, please subscribe.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys!
Yeah.
Mga Sharon ko na ito. Ito may noodle soup sa loob.
Si Shushu.
Ito may palabok.
Shushu, dapat ang
Si
maganda.
Shushu.
Hi.
What do you have, Shushu? I have you. You're so cute.
Welcome to my channel.
Tara na mga beshies and we're gonna go down now to have pictorial. Wow, pictorial. Hi! Ingat kayo mga beshies! Thank you so much for your time. They're going to Zayed International Airport. You're going to Zayed International Airport, Besh. Bye-bye.
No.
Bye!
1, 2, 3, funky.